As we grow, we know.
Hi guys, it's I, Home Educate. As we grow, we know. And today we are reviewing this too big brownie skillet with brownie mix. So this is a brownie mix, but it comes with a free skillet, cast iron skillet, which is really good. It might have been expensive though, but still, brownie mix with a skillet, which is really good. You rarely find this stuff here. So, as you see here, this comes with the brownie mix, as well as care instructions and instructions of how to make the brownie. Of course, how else? So, aside from the thing itself, this is really good for teaching children cooking lessons, because how often do you get cooking lessons in school itself? You could really teach your child one-on-one of how to make brownies, or not just brownies, but how to use a skillet and how to bake and cook in general. So let's review this and see what we got inside. So you see here it comes with the brownie mix. It isn't that much, but it's still like for one serving, I guess. The cast iron pan in the shape of a heart, because I guess the topic is a Valentine's Day or something. The instructions, which also has the care instructions of the iron skillet, and the box. You don't need that. So you see here, this is what it comes with. It's pretty good since it comes with a miniature or small version of the big cast iron skillet, as well as some brownie mix. So it's very good to teach your children how to make brownie mix now, since you got the utensils and stuff. So, what do I give my review about this? I guess I haven't really tasted the brownie mix, but overall, it's a pretty good thing to try out with your children at home, since you can now make brownies at home. Who doesn't want brownies? So, anyway, it's I, Home Educate. As you grow, we know.
I, Home Educate. As we grow, we know.